Welcome to Something Out of Nothing. In this episode, we will be building birdhouses out of the 100-year-old wood that we used in a previous episode. Make sure you subscribe and so that you can get all of the really cool things that we'll be making in the future. So we are making these beautiful rustic birdhouses, and we started out using the 100-year-old wood that came from my garage. We started by making the shape of the birdhouse and finding out a little bit about what birds need and require. And what we found out is that the opening here had to be about 1 inch to 1.25 inches to keep out predatory birds. They liked the raw wood because they could crawl up the sides, the little baby birds, and get around the nest. We wrapped a perch inside with burlap, and so that they can safely move around. We've put on this old doorknob with the fascia, just to give it a really funky, kind of up-to-date look. Thank you for watching Something Out of Nothing. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and so that you can get further videos that we will be doing. Remember to always reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, and please keep things out of the landfill. Welcome to Something Out of Nothing. Okay. Make sure that you subscribe to our videos, and what? The wood to do that. So yeah. What else? Thank you for watching Somewhere in Time.
Yes, that's our show.
Okay.